Are you tired of telling yourself, "I'll start tomorrow," only to wake up the next day and repeat the same cycle? Listen, procrastination doesn't mean you're lazy. It means you're stuck in habits that every learner struggles with, even the ones who eventually become top students. But here's the good news. By the end of this video, you won't just understand why you procrastinate. You'll have a step-by-step plan to finally break the cycle. And I'm also going to share my private techniques that I've only taught to my best students. Stay with me until the last minute, and then go to the comments and tell me which step you're starting today. All right, let's jump in. Step 1. Understand your why. Before you open a textbook, before you watch your first English lesson, before anything else, you must know your why, because without a strong why, procrastination wins every time. Examples of whys. I want to pass my IELTS exam. I need English for my dream job. I want to study abroad. I don't want to translate everything in my head anymore. Write your why on a sticky note and put it somewhere you will see daily. Your mirror, your desk, even on your phone case. When you feel like quitting, this is what reminds you why you started. This is your fuel. Step 2. Create your non-negotiable study time. Procrastinators wait for motivation. Successful learners don't wait, they schedule. How to do this? Pick the same time every single day. It can be 6 to 7 p.m. or even 30 minutes before bed. Set a reminder. And this one is powerful. Tell someone to keep you accountable. Tell your friend, your sister. Or even comment below, "My study time is 6 p.m. Hold me accountable." When you turn your study time into a non-negotiable appointment, like brushing your teeth or going to work, procrastination stops controlling you. Step 3. Discover why you procrastinate. Here's something most learners never ask themselves. Why am I procrastinating in the first place? Maybe it's fear of failure, that voice whispering, "What if I can't do this?" Maybe you feel overwhelmed because learning English feels like a mountain with no clear path, or maybe you're just unmotivated because you don't see progress. These feelings are normal, but they don't have to control you. Practical hack: if you feel overwhelmed, break tasks into tiny pieces instead of study English. Say, learn 5 words, watch 3 minutes of a video, review 1 grammar point. Small steps build big momentum. Reminder for the audience. Remember, even 5 minutes of real effort beats waiting for the perfect moment that never comes. If this video is already helping you, make sure to hit subscribe, because this is part 7 of my How to Study series, and every previous episode teaches strategies that stack together like building blocks. I'll put videos 1 through 6 in the description and at the end of this video so you can watch them in order. Here's a truth many English learners never hear. Procrastination isn't the enemy, confusion is, fear is, lack of a clear plan is. But once you understand your why, your schedule, and your triggers, you stop fighting yourself, you start flowing. And trust me, the moment you start showing up consistently, even for tiny sessions, the results will shock you. Suddenly, English becomes easier, understanding improves, confidence grows, and procrastination, it fades away. And this one is powerful. Tell someone to keep you accountable. Tell your friend, your sister, or even comment below, "My study time is 6 p.m. Hold me accountable." When you turn your study time into a non-negotiable appointment, like brushing your teeth or going to work, procrastination stops controlling you. Final, powerful, viral version. Steps 4 to bonus. Step 4. Use the 3-task rule. One of the biggest reasons we procrastinate is simple. Our study list is too long. When your brain sees 10, 20, even 30 tasks, it panics and chooses the easiest escape, scrolling your phone. Here's the fix. Write only 3 tasks you must complete today. Not 10, not 20, just 3. How to use the 3-task rule? Choose 3 realistic tasks. Put the hardest one first. You'll feel unstoppable afterward. Set a 25-minute timer for each task. When you finish your 3 tasks, you're done for the day, and you'll feel productive instead of guilty. Step 5. Follow the 2-minute rule. If starting is your biggest problem, this rule will change everything. Your only job is to study for 2 minutes. Open your book. Read 1 paragraph. Write 1 sentence. I know it sounds too simple, but that's the point. Once you start, your brain wants to continue. 2 minutes breaks the mental wall that keeps you stuck in procrastination mode. Step 6. Reward yourself. Your brain loves rewards. It learns faster when it knows something good is waiting on the other side of effort. Possible rewards: 10 minutes of gaming, a chocolate, listening to your favorite song, a cup of coffee. But here's the golden rule: rewards come after studying, never before. This trains your brain to associate English study with success and good feelings. Now pause this video for just 10 seconds and comment below, what reward will you give yourself after your next study session? Your comment might motivate someone else. Step 7. Use the accountability hack. If you struggle with self-discipline, don't keep your goals a secret. Studies show that sharing a goal makes you 65% more likely to achieve it. Ways to use accountability. Tell a friend. Message a study partner. Join a Telegram, Discord study group. Or comment your goal below this video. So right now, tell someone your English goal, even if it feels small. It's the fastest way to stay on track. Bonus secret: the momentum trick. This is one of my most powerful techniques. If you want guaranteed progress, follow this rule. Never skip 2 days in a row. Missed a day? No problem. You're human. Just don't miss the next one. Momentum is everything. It's the difference between quitting and succeeding. Follow this plan for 1 week, just one, and I promise you'll feel like a completely different student. Now it's your turn. Comment below and tell me, what's your biggest struggle with studying? Let's help each other, share strategies, and build a strong study community. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. I'm posting new lessons every week to help you study smarter, stay motivated, and finally, reach your English goals. You have everything you need to succeed. Now take the first step today, not tomorrow.